Hi, this video guide will show you how to use MicroSD sharing and physical SIM with your Nommi. Nommi supports MicroSD sharing. It means that you can use your Nommi device like a wireless storage and share photos, videos, and other files with your Nommi network. Firstly, you will need to insert MicroSD card and your physical SIM to the respective slots. After that, restart your Nommi. You can do it from the app by clicking this button. Two green lights mean that Nommi is restarting. After that, you will need to connect to the Nommi. Open Wi-Fi settings of your phone and select your Nommi device. To use MicroSD, go to Settings, choose MicroSD. There you can add and remove, download and upload files and create new folders. To create new folder, press New Folder. Input the name and submit. To add files, tap the plus sign at the right bottom corner and choose your file. You can even take an instant photo. Confirm. Done. The photo is uploaded to your MicroSD. Nommi allows you to use the internet via your physical SIM. To start using physical SIM, you need to insert it to the Nommi and go to the Settings, My Device, SIM Mode, and select Physical SIM Mode. After that, Nommi will be automatically rebooted. Now we can see red light becoming green. It means that Nommi has access to internet via your physical SIM. At the main screen, you can see the name of your provider. To find out more, watch other videos about Nommi. If you have any questions, leave us a comment below or send us an email at support@nommi.net. Bye!